Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a large project share for you today. Basically this is for my swap partner. I'm participating in the PHA Secret Santa swap. It's just a small group of us that chat back and forth together, and we just wanted to do a swap with each other. So this is what I'm sending to my partner. And later on, once my partner receives the swap, I will change the title to her name. So anyway, I made her a Christmas tree, hot glue gun Christmas tree, wish you a Merry Christmas ornament type thingy. It's actually a table thing. It's supposed to sit on the table. And it looks like this. And I'm not going to ship it standing up. I will make it flat, and then when she receives it, she could put it together just like that. I used the hot pink that I hauled from Amazon with glue stick. It looks like this. You know, it's probably about 14 inches. So, or maybe less. But I used basically 5 glue sticks of the pink to make this little ornament. And I got this from Amazon also. This is the mold. I've shared this before on a haul and on a live. So you can look at my channel and check out the other videos. This right here, the star on the top, I used Dollar Tree's clear glitter glue stick. And that one took 2 sticks to make it that pretty. Okay, so that's gonna go to my swap partner. I also used this KS Craft die it's a flat die, and I turned it into a craft tote, like a dimensional one. So I made that piece right there. I just cut the die out twice, and that's what it looks like. So this is a KS Craft die. This is the mini tote. And then I made her 2 little snowman charms. These are the Dollar Tree table scatter, and I added some felt. I cut some felt for the scarf, for the hat, and then I stuck one of my eye pins in there. So I did the same with this one. So you have 2, and then I just drew the faces on with my Sharpie marker. This is also a KS Craft die, and this is the little mini book embellishment. And I used some stickers, I used some Dollar Tree trim, and I just added some rolled roses that are from felt, just some scraps. And this is a little mold, silicone mold, and I used my glue sticks to make that one right there, that little stocking with the Christmas tree on it. This is just a second book, same die. And I'm using the Snow and Cocoa collection for my swap partner. I fussy cut this word out right here. It says winter. Fussy cut this little polar bear from one of the tag ephemeras. And then this little thing right here, this Christmas tree, is a hot glue gun with the silicone mold again. And then I just took my gold marker and brushed up on the edges. And that's what that looks like. And it's just a little book embellishment. So I made her those 2 embellishments plus the little snowmen that go into the tote. Snowman embellishment, because the Snow and Cocoa has polar bears and snowmen. So I'm just going to wrap this up in some plastic. Okay, and then I also made her the my new dies, the Secret Santa, Santa Baby, No Peeking, and I forgot the other one. I can't take it out, but I shared this also on my live. And this is some table trim or table cover that I trimmed to like 1/2 inch and turned that into trim. I added some stickles around the edges. This is another KS Craft die. This is the gingerbread man. I added some foam. These are cut out of foam. With the face, the little Santa cap, and his little jumper, and I just added some paper details to his jumper. And instead of a bag topper, I just added that little gingerbread, and she could pull this off and add it to another project. Okay, so that's the second one. Let's go with this next one. I used my border punch to create this bag topper and added a rosette and just another chipboard sticker from my stash and stickles all the way around. This is another KS Craft die, and these are some bows die set that I had in my stash. Everyone's seen these, but I double layered them because I wanted that 2 paper tone effect. So that's the blue cardstock on top of the Snow and Cocoa cardstock. Okay, so I just bagged it up and put it on the bottom here. It's easy for her to take in and out of the bag. There's another one. This is a wax bag that I had in my stash. This is Snow and Cocoa. I just took a bull nose paper clip, added one of the gold bows from my stash. I don't remember the collection. And then in here is another KS Craft die, the tag set. And I used my cereal box, and I cut this out 3 times, 1 with the cereal box and 2 with the cardstock. And then this is just fussy cut from the tag collection that I have in my stash. Some Snow and Cocoa tags. Fussy cut that, put that on the bottom. And these are my new dies from Erica's shop, Scrap Diva 29. She opened up a shop, brand new. And this die set is in her shop. Just small, medium, and large comes in this set. And I thought that was just so gorgeous, just like that, with some holographic paper I got from Michael's. So I put that in here. Really simple embellishments, but I wanted to give her a variety of embellishments. So this little clip here is from Kayla's Crafts. I just added the gold bow again from my stash, same stash. And she sent me these trims, and I just thought it was so pretty. So I added it to this little bag, also Snow and Cocoa, more of the paper from the collection. And I added some trim that I used within her, that I used in the stuff that I made for her. So there's the tablecloth trim, there's the ribbon from Walmart, and then this is another tablecloth trim from Party Streamer from Dollar Tree that Louisa gifted to me, and I added some of that snow tulle on top from Dollar Tree. It's the pink. It's kind of hard to see. So I shared some trim with her, and I made the same tag. It just has different paper. Same process. Got the cereal box in the middle just to make it super sturdy. And these threads are so she can adjust the trim that I made for her. So you just pull and stretch and make it bigger or smaller. And that's how I'm gonna send it, just like that. And these 3 are gonna go in one of the sections. I also made a candy box again, just using the 12 by 12 paper and wrapping it around the candy box. I use the Velcro, Dollar Tree Velcro, just cut it in half and you get 2 pieces. There's the candy. I hope she likes peanut butter. I hope she's not allergic to peanuts, but if she is, she could just toss it. And I made this topper on a live with Louisa on Wacky Wednesday. And yeah, it was her idea to do the paper folding technique. I added some of that Walmart ribbon, and then this rosette is from my stash. This die is from my stash. This banner is in my stash. These are already made, and I just put them all together. So that is one I put in there. I did alter a Christmas ornament from Walmart. It comes just like this, the TV and the Christmas tree, and it says Santa Baby. But what I did was I added these 3 little floret beads. I added it on top of the circles because I didn't like the circles. And then I added this little Santa hat from my recent haul from Rhoda. And that was all I did to this little Christmas ornament. I thought that would be cute for my swap partner. So I put that in there. The next thing I made my swap partner was this mini album slash journal. And I created this little polar bear, just copying what Christian had done, but made my own template. Added some stickles, added some faux stitching all the way around him. And I freehand all of this. This is all done by me. This is a punch, and so is the little eyes. The little teeny tiny eyes are from my personal punch. And these are the pages for the journal. I didn't do anything to the inside. I kind of left it open for my swap partner. Do as she wants. And then this here, I just put my label on the back. And then I followed the back up with the scarf. Same as the front. And the stickles are only on the front. Okay, so I'm going to put this back in so I can put it back. So, the hardest part for me is packaging. That is always hard for me. All right, so I had to make my own baggie for this one. Okay, moving on. I'm adding some magical marshmallow twists. They're super soft. And this is Sophie Pops and Gumdrops. I thought that was cute. And I added one of my banners to the top of this. Made my own little banner. Just folded a rectangle piece over the top. Added the ruffle trim. And made that on alive also. Okay. And then this one I can't show you because I stitched it closed, but there's more of the Walmart ribbon. I made a tag. I just used one of the ornaments from Walmart. This is my glue gun ephemera piece. It's the Christmas tree from one of the silicone molds. And there's another tag right there. It says warm wishes, and it put the name of my recipient on the back. All right, so that's one. And then here I made these stockings. I shared this on my Instagram. I just cut a few of the ephemera pieces, or these pieces from a 12 by 12 page from the Snow and Cocoa collection. I just added this little felt Christmas tree from Dollar Tree on the background. And that was all I added. Oh, I did add my label to the back of this one because I can't put it on the stockings. This is the leftover, the banners that I made for my swap partner. And then I added this topper up here. And then the other thing about it is she can repackage or use the packaging and recycle it again and gift it to somebody else if she wanted. But these are the toppers that I made for her. Super cute. I made that one on the live with Louisa. And I just recently packaged it up. All right, so I'm going to show you what the main swap part is. I made this, one of Christian's craft caddy. I made a previous one with, for Louisa and I, we had a swap. And so I just fussy cut these snowmen again from the 12 by 12 paper. I added that gold trim that I shared with her. And these are just stickers from my stash. I just put the word Mary on there. The reindeers are from Hobby Lobby, and I just added them to the sides where you add your side pockets. And then on this one, it's a Hobby Lobby poinsettia with the hollies on the side. And this is the drawer pull I hauled from Amazon. Now let me show you the drawer part in here. So I used my KS Craft dies with the gingerbread. I put it together. And on the back here is some KS Craft stars, shaker stars. And I put a few of those together for my swap partner. And then I'm also going to share with her these chipboard words that are so cool. I have doubles of these, so I wanted to add these to her collection. Also gifted to me from Louisa. And there is my first divided my drawer. So this is the first side of my drawer. On the next side, I gifted her some embellishment pieces. So these are the Christmas trees that I have in my stash. Some little miniature wreaths also from my stash. And then I also have some of these big plastic peppermints. So I wanted to share some of those with her. I got her some gold wood chip stars, some light bulbs, some glittered light bulb die cuts. And these are some gingerbread men, some felt pieces, and some Christmas trees. And then more of the Dollar Tree wood veneer stickers. So there's 2 mittens and 2 stockings in there. And so I'm just going to put these all up in the drawer so I can put it away. I need to get this wrapped up and sent out so soon. And so hopefully I can get this mailed out soon. So yeah, that is the drawer that I made for her. So the caddy itself, the only thing different I added was a little expandable pocket on the back, because these pieces here are so tall and I couldn't put it in the original pockets that Christian made because they're not as deep. So I wanted these to go all the way down to the bottom, and I could add all of these extra tall pieces here. Okay, so if I can remember how I had these, I'm gonna add these back in. Oops. I'm gonna add this to the middle with my trim. Just like that. Put these clips down and then add my bows right there. Okay, and then once I wrap these 2 pieces up right here, this little tote and the Christmas tree, I'm going to add it to the front right here. It'll go in here like this, and I should be good to go. And so it should go into this pocket right here. All right, guys, so that is it for my share. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you all on the next one. Bye. Okay guys, this is what it looks like. I put the plastic shrink on here. And it just looks so pretty. Looks so professional. I am not professional. But this is secure. Hopefully nothing falls out. I've got my little tree in here. You can see it. I just put a little foam girl, gingerbread girl on the front just to give it a little bit of surprise element. But that is it. I shrink wrapped this, and now I just have to put this in a box, and it's going to go out to my swap partner. I'm just going to add a card and a tag, and it's good to go. So like I said, thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you all on the next video. Bye.